guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swatch video for you on this from Nicole Diary and Born Pretty store. As I promised to you in my last stamping plates haul video, I will be also swatching those plates for you. They are part of my Halloween party series, so if you do enjoy the series, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of the other plates that I showed you in that haul, then definitely hit the subscribe button before you leave. I know I'm running a little late and I don't have as many Halloween videos up for you as I originally planned, but I have a bunch of swatches that I need to go through, and many of the makers release their Halloween polishes in the month of September, so you will definitely find those under my Halloween party series playlist. Check it out if you are interested. As I mentioned, these plates are all from Nicole Diary and Born Pretty store. I typically purchase everything from Born Pretty store. It may take a while for you to receive these plates if you are interested in purchasing them. Some of them might be under their US warehouse store. Definitely check it out, but in general, Halloween designs don't go out of fashion, so even if you don't receive them before Halloween, you can use these next year. Let me know which plate or design is your favorite out of the ones I will show you today, and if you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Alright, let's jump into the swatch portion. If I do have any issues with any of these plates, I will let you know either while I'm stamping, or I will leave a notation in the description box. But for the most part, I had really good experience with both of these brands in the past, and I'm really looking forward to swatch these stamping plates and play with the designs. So keep watching the swatch portion. Thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.